Now recently, Cooler Master reached out to us and they said, Stephen, we've got some epic hardware for you to give away. We want you to go ahead and pimp someone's PC. So we created our Pimp My Potato competition. Now we received an absolute huge range of submissions and they were truly remarkable. Remarkable in the sense that they actually functioned. After we tallied the votes, we found our winner, which was David. And a few days later, he brought his potato of a PC to our workshop, and here it is in all of its glory. It was dusty, it was dirty, it was borderline a lost cause, but here at the Tech Modified Workshop, we won't give up that easily, and we got pimping straight away. David requested an orange and black theme for his new PC, but before we got stuck into that, we had to get cleaning first. As you can see, David's PC was borderline on its own ecosystem and the local inhabitants would not have been happy with this clean out. Whilst all this was happening, we had a special team of scientists develop an image of what David and his case would have looked like if it went untouched for a few more years. But thanks to Cooler Master, this is not the case, and as you can see, David is quite chuffed of what's going into his system. Whilst we got to work using the laser cutter to cut some of the custom parts, David settled himself down in front of Street Dreams to play some PUBG. You fast forward to the end of the day and I was dirty, I was dusty, I was tired, but David's PC was completely transformed. We provided David with a set of cable extensions in a nice clean black to match his theme, along with a CPU cover, some RGB lighting, an NVIDIA custom GPU backplate, a backplate for his SSDs, and also a Tech Modified badge. We also did some other painting around the cases, including the removable pieces from Cooler Master's Masterbox 5 Lite. Overall, we've had a ton of fun on this Pimp My Potato competition. Big thanks to Cooler Master for supplying with us all the prizes, and a big congratulations to David. I hope you love your new PC, mate. And for everyone else, make sure you check out the Facebook page. We'll have heaps of competitions coming up soon.